or not pro players fart on stage. That's right, it's time for mic check.
Fabian.
Just another day in the office.
Yep.
With a few more people.
This should be final. This should have been final.
Yeah, this should have been the final.
Fine, guys, focus on this big man, okay?
Yep.
Nice, nice.
Go rise, go rise, go rise.
Nice. We can win, we can win.
Nice.
Lucian.
Lucian.
We can win this, we can win this. Oh shit, I got snared. Just wait. Don't get hypey.
Go bottom.
Go bottom.
Yeah, go bottom. We can finish. Nice, guys. Woo, we got this. Oh, finally.
Finally, 3-0.
We're having some wins, guys.
What do you mean finally? We won for the entire season.
Win and then we chill.
Win and they get vacation.
Yes.
Yay.
Remember, every window we get, we should be taking it. If someone gets chunked, we should talk about it, abuse it. If someone blows a flash, we talk it, we abuse it. Don't just let summoners go and then not try to punish it.
They're tanking so much. 4.5.
Play it slow. Okay, we need to go.
You can try to steal.
Go in.
Yeah, I can.
I arm, okay?
You can try to steal. Killer is dead. They're taking Nash.
Rise.
Nice. The game is GG.
Go mid. I don't think we can end though. But we can take mid and rotate to the bot wave if you want. Good job, nice steer.
Just keep up the comms, guys. Let's do this. Good luck.
Good luck.
1-3-1, guys.
Tito fighting. Fighting.
TP here. Come.
I have no TP. I'm running to you guys.
Sandra is dead. Almost low. Sandra is low.
Oh, he's dead. Yes,
Go. We can fight. I have root. Go.
And can you... Focus tower. Focus to it.
I get stun maybe? Stun.
Oh, nice. And yes.
End game.
End the game. Next. Oh my god.
Yes. Yeah, I will. Go.
Holy shit.
Yes.
Need to get Brix in the head. Dennis, just always make sure I'm ahead. Thank you, Dennis. Really, Dennis, you're such a team player. Dennis, really, thank you.
If you guys remember, when we played in finals, we didn't win because we sat in our lanes, right, guys? We won because we moved around the map and TSM didn't know what to do. So let's move around the map, boys.
Backing up.
I'm not ulti.
Josh is GA.
I'm ulti too.
2 seconds. You can go.
See Caitlyn?
Yeah.
I got her.
Gragas. I'm on Caitlyn.
Down here.
Let's go.
Caitlyn's low. Caitlyn's dead. He flashed. Good shit. Come here. Kill this guy. We win the game. Kill him win the game.
You guys can end.
I can shield you.
Nice. Yeah. Let's go.